Morning students, I hope all are doing well. Students, today we are going to learn one of the important purification method of separation called simple distillation. The liquids which having different in their boiling point vaporizes at different temperature. Do you know what is boiling point? Yes. The temperature at which a liquid boils and turns into vapor. Now let's see simple distillation. Simple distillation, it is a method used for the separation of components of mixture containing two miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling points. The distillation process involves heating the liquids to its boiling point and transferring the vapors into the cold portion of the apparatus, then condensing the vapors in collecting the condensed liquid in a container. Materials required: porcelain chips, mixture of acetone and water, 250 ml 100 ml RB flask, heating mantle, vacuum adapter, distilling head, thermometer adapter, water condenser and stand with clamp. Procedure: take a mixture of acetone and water and pour it into 250 ml RB flask. Clamp the RB flask to a stand and place it in a heating mantle. Take some porcelain chips and put them into the RB flask. Connect a distilling head into the RB flask and thermometer adapter with thermometer to the distilling head. Connect a water condenser to the outlet of distilling head and vacuum adapter to the water condenser. Now connect the 100 ml RB flask for receive a flask to the vacuum adapter. Place the RB flask into the beaker containing water, then connect the rubber tube between the tap inlet of the condenser to allow cold water to enter. Similarly, connect another rubber tube to the outlet of the condenser to pour the hot water from the condenser to the zinc. Open the tap so that water flows through the tube and fills the condenser and then comes out through the outlet. Set the temperature of heating mantle and heat the mixture to boil at 50 degrees Celsius. Acetone vaporizes and the vapor passes through the condenser and condensation occurs. The acetone is collected in the reserve flask in the liquid form and water is left behind the distillation flask. Acetone boils at 50 degrees Celsius and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the miscible mixture of acetone and distilled water can be separated only by simple distillation. In your book, it's given that how seawater or salt water is converted into drinking water. Let us understand with this experiment. Take some salt water in RB flask and heat it till the steam comes out of it. We will see the steam getting collected inside the beaker in the form of droplets of water. The steam condenses and reaches the beaker and salt left behind the RB flask. This method of separation of soluble solids from liquid is called distillation. Thank you, dear students. We'll meet in next session.